Hey, good morning, Facebook. Good morning, everybody. So here we are in Riverside. Let me go ahead and turn this thing around, show you guys what we got going here. But we got a duplex here, and there we go. Let's take a look. This is the first unit. Okay, we got 1.5 by 1/2 inch. This looks like it's red oak. As you can see, it's in pretty bad shape. The wood is very, very thin. We've got termite damage right there. These spots, it looked like some kind of leak happened here, but we're gonna get this sanded, try to lift everything as best as we can. Remove any kind of dark spots. The homeowner said he wanted to go with a natural finish. May happen, may not, just depending on what we got. Let's take a look at the other rooms. But you can see all the wear and tear. There's a furnace repair right there. Lace things in. Got the Hummel going here, super bright. Let's take a look at the next unit. So over here we got a little bit less damage. I mean, there's still a lot of wear and tear on the floor, but no big significant repairs on this side. This should just sand off pretty good. And that's pretty much what we got so far. Turn this thing around. So basically, like I said, the homeowner wants to go with a natural looking finish. Not 100% sure if that's going to happen. With these pet stains, we never know what we're looking at until we actually start sanding. But, we're going to give it our best go, and we'll see from there. I'll do an update in a couple hours. Everybody have a good day.